Hey there, fellow DIY enthusiasts. If you're staring at that frustrating F6E1 error code on your Whirlpool oven, don't panic. We're going to tackle this step by step. This error is common in Whirlpool models and typically signals a communication issue between the oven's control board and the touchpad. In today's video, we'll break down what it means, explore the possible causes, and dive into practical solutions to get your oven back up and running in no time. First off, let's decode the error. The F6E1 code usually indicates a problem with the electronic interface, like the oven's brain not talking properly to the buttons or display. This could stem from a few culprits. Maybe there's a loose wire connection, a faulty control board, or even a damaged touchpad from wear and tear. Over time, things like power surges, moisture, or just regular use can trigger this error, especially in older models. Now, onto the fixes. Start with the simplest step. Unplug your oven from the power source for at least 5 minutes. This reset can clear temporary glitches and might solve the issue right away. Once it's plugged back in, check if the error persists. If it does, you'll need to inspect the wiring. Open up the control panel carefully. Always ensure the oven is unplugged first, and look for any loose or damaged wires connected to the touchpad. Secure them if needed, but if you're not comfortable with this, it's best to call a pro. If that doesn't work, the problem might be with the control board or touchpad itself. In that case, you may need to replace these parts. Whirlpool parts are widely available online or through authorized dealers, and there are plenty of tutorials for specific models. Remember, if your oven is under warranty or you're unsure about electrical work, consult a certified technician to avoid any safety risks. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the F6E1 error and get back to baking your favorite meals. Thanks for watching, and if this video helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more home repair tips. Stay safe and happy fixing.